When comparing Fieldwire versus JobProgress, which is better for managing construction tasks? If you're a contractor or a construction manager, you've probably heard of both of these software tools. But are they really the best option for your team? Stick around until the end of this video, because I'll not only compare them, but I'll also share an even better alternative that you might want to consider instead. First, let's start with Fieldwire. Fieldwire is a construction management platform that's designed to help teams collaborate on projects and streamline job site workflows. It focuses heavily on task management, allowing project managers to assign and track tasks, upload blueprints, and communicate with their team all in one place. The interface is relatively easy to use, and mobile app integration means that your team can access information on the go. Next thing, Fieldwire's strength is its document management and collaboration. The ability to overlay blueprints with real-time task progress and markup designs can save a lot of time in the field. However, while Fieldwire's design is solid, it can feel a bit clunky for smaller teams or individual contractors who might not need all those bells and whistles. Plus, if you're running a complex project with a lot of moving parts, the system can get overwhelming. Now, let's talk about JobProgress. JobProgress positions itself as a solution for contractors who want an all-in-one management system, but it also focuses a lot on the operational side, like tracking job estimates, invoices, and even CRM tools. JobProgress excels at helping users manage customer relationships and generate detailed reports. One of its strengths is the job scheduling feature, which lets users create a comprehensive schedule of tasks that can be accessed and updated by team members in real time. Next thing about JobProgress is the customer support. The software has been praised for its user-friendly interface, but it's worth noting that the learning curve for JobProgress can be steep. If you don't have the time to invest in getting the hang of it, it could lead to inefficiency in the long run. Additionally, while it integrates well with other tools, it may not have as strong a mobile presence compared to Fieldwire. Now, here's the issue that both Fieldwire and JobProgress share. They can both get pricey. For small or mid-sized construction companies, that recurring cost can add up quickly, especially if you're not utilizing all the features. And sometimes, both tools feel like overkill for simpler projects, especially if you're only managing a handful of tasks or working with a small team. Fourth thing, let's talk about flexibility. Both Fieldwire and JobProgress can be customized to some degree, but their core designs are pretty rigid. This can be a problem if your company has unique needs or processes that don't exactly fit into the frameworks provided. While these tools work for many, the lack of adaptability can cause headaches if you're trying to scale or shift your project management approach. So, what's the solution if you need something more streamlined and cost-effective? After trying both of these tools, I've found a better alternative. This option not only addresses the issues of complexity and cost, but also offers an intuitive interface that's easy to use for all team members, whether you're a contractor or a project manager. If you're looking for something that helps with construction task management, makes team collaboration easier, and keeps your costs down, this alternative could be the perfect fit. While both Fieldwire and JobProgress are solid tools in their own right, they just didn't meet the mark for everything I needed when it comes to managing construction tasks effectively. That's why I recommend you check out the software I'm linking to in the first description below. It offers a better experience, and through my link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Give it a shot and see how it compares to Fieldwire versus JobProgress. You might just find the perfect fit for your team.